Manipur Chief Minister N. Singh on August 7 informed Assembly that monthly joint inspections of cadre of Kuki-Zo militant groups observing suspension of operations SHU with central and state government are being conducted regularly. The SHU pact was signed by the centre, the Manipur government and two conglomerates of Kuki militant outfits, Kuki National Organization (KNO) and United People's Front (UPF) in 2008 and has been extended periodically. As part of the SHU pact, a joint monitoring group JMG comprising representatives of central and state government agencies, the KNO and UPF was formed to oversee adherence to the ground rules. Replying to a question by Congress MLA Surjakanta Akram, Singh in a written reply said regular monthly joint inspections of cadres or more frequent inspections are being done for checking the cadres and their arms and ammunition. The recent joint inspection was done on July 19 this year. Singh said that the number of militant groups divided into the Kuki National Organization (KNO) and United People's Front (UPF) is 2,181 after the re-verification exercise conducted in 2013-14. Under KNO, there are 17 militant outfits, while under UPF, there are 8 militant groups, Singh said, adding that SHU was first signed in August 2008. To another query by Congress MLA K. Megachandras, the CM said monthly stipends have been released to the bank accounts of the representatives of the SHU groups from time to time. Amounts for SHU are sent to representatives of the groups from discharge, but since 2022, no amount has been paid as their accounts are being verified and are to be paid individually, Singh added. To another question raised by Congress MLA K. Ranjit on how many armed village volunteers are in the state, Singh said several youths came out voluntarily due to frustration.